Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I am going to be trying out Nature's Little Secret Strawberry Styling Smoothie. I have already shampooed, deep conditioned my hair, and added the banana leave-in conditioner from Nature's Little Secret as well. So my hair looks really nice and hydrated. My curls are popping. So what I'm doing here is basically just sectioning my hair off so that I can begin my braids for my braid out. So what I'm going to do is just take a section of my hair for my first braid, and I'm going to take some of the Strawberry Styling Smoothie. I do like the fact that they do have these products sealed very nicely. This styling smoothie smells really good, and it smells just like strawberries. So what I'm doing here is just taking my detailing comb and just combing out this section to make sure I get all of the tangles out so that my braid out will come out really nicely and I don't have to worry about my hair tangling as I'm undoing my braids. The consistency of this styling cream is more of like a medium to thick type consistency. This styling smoothie really absorbed very well into my strands, and it even gave it a little bit of a shine, which I really did like. And I just want to add a fun fact that I got from Nature's Little Secret's website. It does say that strawberries keep your hair shiny and smooth, so I can definitely attest to the fact that this strawberry styling smoothie really added lots and lots of shine to my hair. Strawberries are also full of antioxidants and vitamin C, which help to promote healthy hair growth, and it also says that it helps to reduce hair shedding. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do my braids, and once I'm done, I'll come back and let you guys see what my results look like. So my hair has been in these braids for a few days now. Today is Friday, and I believe that I put these braids in on maybe Monday or Tuesday. I'm not for sure. But anywho, this is what my braids are looking like now. They still look pretty good, nice and shiny. And what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and take them down. I have my Melanin multi-use pure oil blend to put on my fingers as I take them down so I don't create any unnecessary frizz. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out. Okay, so this is what my results are looking like, and y'all, they look really, really good. This braid out came out so defined. My hair feels really soft, and I do have like lots of movement. So I really do like this combination here. The banana leave-in conditioner and this strawberry styling smoothie, it gave me great results. And this is what it is looking like. So comment down below and let me know if you have ever tried this strawberry styling smoothie and if you got bomb results as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.